I'm all about the glow, and it truly has become a part of my signature makeup look. I just love how it adds dimension and so much brightness to my face and my skin. I'm gonna show you guys how to take an everyday glow look and how to bump it up when you're feeling extra. On my casual days when I just want an everyday glow, I really love to use more of a cream or a liquid highlighter. It just really melts into my skin and it just really becomes a part of my face. It almost looks like second skin, and that's what I love about it. It just looks so effortless, but still nonetheless super beautiful and super luminous. I'm gonna start off by pumping a little bit of this strobe cream on the back of my hand. And like all cream products, I just love to warm them up just to make sure that they are nice and warm and that they have a nice glide and movement on my skin. I'm lightly just going to tap this on the high points of my cheek, and it's totally up to you with how much you want to apply and layer. I like to just work in small increments and just build until I'm comfortable with the amount of glow radiating from my cheeks. Super, super simple to use. Sometimes I find that our fingertips are our best tools, and with achieving an everyday subtle glow, this is definitely my go-to. If you don't want to use your fingers and you want to use something like a sponge, you can totally do that as well. Just pick a little bit up on the back of your sponge and just stipple it onto your cheeks. It's totally up to you how much you want to apply. You can apply it on your cheeks, your forehead, your nose, on your body, whatever is comfortable for you with creating an everyday glow. Now, on days where I'm feeling extra and this isn't enough, I love to layer different textures, different shades to just really kick my glow to the extreme. I'm gonna start off with a more cushiony, bouncy highlight. I'm gonna apply this with a sponge. I'm gonna use a more duo cream pink shade, and I'm going to lightly just stipple this on my cheek. Not only am I applying it on my cheek, I'm gonna bring it around my eye to really create this halo effect around my face. To really kick this glow into overdrive, I'm gonna spritz my sponge with a little bit of my Dewy Mist and dip into that powder. It's really gonna help to foil and almost metallize that highlight. Anywhere I want light to reflect or where the light naturally hits is where I want to apply this powder. Before I layer on a second highlighter, I'm gonna spray a little bit of this Dewy Mist. I really want these colors to really melt into each other. And I'm gonna go in with a stiff dome brush, and I'm gonna apply this powder highlight. This has a beautiful gold tone that's just gonna complement my complexion. And I'm gonna apply this right where the highest point of my face is to really create a beautiful glow and impact. And I'm basically layering this shade over everywhere that I've already applied a little bit of highlight. I literally wanna look like a walking disco ball. I'm also going to apply it on the tip of my nose. I'm also going to take a small blending brush and apply a little bit on the inner tear ducts of my eye, my brow bone, and any other high points of my face where the light would naturally reflect. And once I'm all done, last step, a little dewy spray to melt everything onto my skin. And that is an extreme highlight.